This is a 2011 Mercedes-Benz E350. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a front and rear multi-link suspension, a sport suspension, a sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, and the pre-safe collision mitigation system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, 12-volt power outlets, front and rear floor mats, a stability control system, rear fog lamps, and this vehicle has fewer than 18,000 miles on the odometer. This Mercedes-Benz has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.